What will be the name of this one?
It will be but one, two, but two in. No, but two ein.
Good. But2ein.
Ein.
Perfect. What will be the name of this one? So it's 1, 2, 3,
Three.
4. So
Hmm.
triple bond will be, matlab, we will keep this but2. Clear? Because smaller the triple bond is on second carbon. No?
Yes. Second one is two chloride but no, sorry, it is, yeah, two chloride but
No, just pay attention. So
three.
how we will start the naming? First, we'll choose the longest chain. Clear? So 1,
Hmm.
2, 3, 4. Like this, or 1, 2.
Like this.
Below one or top one?
The below one.
Below one.
Huh.
Good. So, and the when we write the prefix, now it would be chloro, not chloride. So now tell me, what would be the name?
3 chloro, 3 chloro, butane.
Butene.
Yes, it's two bond.
Double bond, na?
Double bond.
Clear?
Yeah.
What about this one?
Okay.
First, you will have to choose the longest chain.
Yeah, it's the CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, 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 CH3.
So where should I
That's
start the
the
numbering?
chain.
You just tell me from here. From one,
The
I will
longest
just
chain
tell me the position. Where should I start the numbering? 1, 2, or 3?
started from 2.
Started from?
No, 2 to 3. It's
Okay,
like
2
this.
to 3. Okay, good. 1.
Uh,
So over here, 1. Okay, 2 to 3. Na? Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
yes.
So what would be the name?
At 3, you have a branch of C2H5. So that is ethyl. 3 ethyl
3
sep.
ethyl.
Yeah. 3 ethyl sept septane.
Okay. What about 6? If there are 6 carbon, it's hexane.
Yeah,
Hexane.
hexane.
And if there are 7 carbon, it's heptane.
Heptane.
Okay. So 3 ethyl heptane. Just copy down all these questions.
Yes. Oh.
1 minute. What about, because this all are the important ones. So just tell me this one.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. One comma two dibromodiene.
See, if there are four bromo, so we write tetra in front.
But they are in different positions. So one dibromo for
So
one
you
dibromo.
give the numbering, na? So
Yeah, I
1,
gave it like
2. So there are 2
hmm.
bromo on carbon 1. So I will write 1, comma 1.
Yes.
Then there are 2 bromo on carbon 2. So it's 2, comma 2.
Hmm.
Tetra bromo
Okay.
ethane. Clear?
Yes. Is that CHO?
That is CHO. One minute. I am. You have copied na this question.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm. Mm. What's the CHO functional group? I forgot.
Okay. It's so CHO is basically you have to keep the suffix as al.
Uh,
Okay, I will explain you that also in detail. 1 minute.
no, you have to do that at the end because
Yeah,
there is no
al you
other
have to add at end.
function. Yes.
See, I'm just writing this example over here.
O-dimethyl pen. Methanol.
4.
Dimethyl pentanal.
Okay, so just 1 minute. Just tell me what will be the name of this compound.
That will be, it's a ketone. No. CH2. Just- this one was a ketone, then you can have it out. Meth,
Which one? So this you are naming, na? First and then second one.
okay. One FCH.
Your video is not on, na? So I can't.
Oh. Mhm.
Ishan, you are there now. Okay. So you are first, second, and third.
Yes. So the first one is
Me.
methanol.
So it's normal. There is just one carbon. So methane. Instead of E,
Yes.
you just write Al. So it's methanol.
Isn't it a ketone?
Which one? This one is aldehyde.
The first one.
First one is aldehydes. This one is ketone.
Okay, but isn't this like merism? So you can consider it even as a ketone.
Isn't a medicine.
Merism, like tautomerism.
Okay. Okay. So you are talking about isomerism.
Yeah, isn't it a type of isomerism?
Which one? Methanol.
Yeah, can't it also be methanol? Because it has got the double O, the
But
oxygen.
in
Oxygen.
this case, see, this is different compound. Aldehyde it's CHO, and over here,
Oh,
so there will be in ketone there is CO, and over here also there will be chain of hydrocarbons. So over here also there will be chain. So this is a totally different compound. Here there will be compulsory. The chain will be over this side only. Pay attention in aldehyde, na, the chain will be over one side only. So it would be like this. Over here the hydrogen will be fixed.
yes.
Clear? So
Yes.
what about the next compound? Name of next compound?
Methanol.
So that is first one. Second one, CH3CHO.
Methyl.
So there are, pay attention, there are two carbons. So first it would be ethane. And instead of E, you just cut that E and add Al. So
Ethanol.
it's
Ethanol.
ethanol.
Yes.
Okay.
Last one is propan 2,1.
Yeah. First, second. So propanon. So it's propan 2,1 or propanon.
Yes.
Okay. So first, so clear this naming. Now try tell this one. So you understood, na? Aldehyde and ketone.
Yes.
Okay.
Which one should I do?
First, yeah, now name this compound. So this will be an aldehyde.
CH3, CH2, CH. 5 dimethyl hex. Yeah, hexal.
So first you have done that longest chain.
Yes.
So what will be the longest chain? 1, 2. But because
Yes.
this has to be on the lower side, so the naming will be from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
5, 6.
6.
Yes.
So it would be first hex AN. I will cancel
The
E
branches.
and 1 AL. So it's hexanal. Hexane 1 AL. Now the branch one will focus on. So it's 5,5 dimethyl, because there are two methyl.
When
Okay.
when we have the same at the same position, can we just do 5 dash dimethyl instead of 5,5?
No, the naming, because this procedure we have to follow the as per IUPAC, na? So we will write it like this only. 1,5 means there is just one compound. 2,5 means there are two compounds of methyl on 5th position.
Yes. And can we shorten hexan 1 all to hexanal directly?
Hexanal you can shorten, that's fine. This you can write like this. This is by default that the functional group is present in the first position. So this is your functional group, correct?
Yes.
Functional group in this case it's CHO.
Yes.
What about the next one?
C1O CH2. Butan 2,1.
So this one, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 carbons. So it's butane, but we'll remove E. Then in second position,
1.
clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now just tell me this one.
Hex 3 ein.
Perfect. So you can also name like this 3-hexyne, or you can also name like hex 3-ine.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the next one is just write down this one.
Propan 2 1. Oh,
Which this one?
first one.
1, 2, 3. Propan 2 on.
Hmm.
Okay. Next one.
Hexan 3 1.
No, this is a different compound. See, pay attention. There was a double bond. In this case,
Hmm. The oxygen is coming in the middle.
so yeah. So in this, first let me explain what kind of compound is this. So CH3O CH3. Okay. So
Yeah.
this oxy and this will be ane. So the name will be like this: methoxy methane. So this is known as ether. This type of compounds are known as ether.
Yes.
Alkoxy alkane.
Okay.
Okay, just write down this one. This was the first one. So this will be oxy.
Methoxy
This will be ane.
ethane.
Methoxy
Ethane.
methane. Clear?
Ethane, right?
Sorry,
There are
ethane.
two.
Yeah, ethane. Okay. And if
Yes.
we give the common name, generally in many books they give the common name also. This will be, because E comes first, na? So it's ethyl,
Hmm.
methyl, ether. In this case, it would be dimethyl ether.
Yes.
Okay. So just write both the names up.
Hmm.
Sometimes they give this also, and sometimes this is your IUPAC. Okay. So pay
Yeah.
attention. Suppose, okay, Let me give you one more question. Now tell me what will be the name.
Propoxy. Propoxyethane. Yes.
Okay. So you were saying propoxy
Ethane.
ethane, right?
Yes.
So this is a wrong. See, always the small, it's not like left side, you will always name. So smaller one will be alkoxy. Okay. So always smaller one will be alkoxy and then alkane. So in this case, smaller one is C2H5. So it would be ethoxy propane, or it would be ethyl propyl ether.
Yes.
Now you just read on this question. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 3 carbons, huh?
Yes.
And there are 3 carbons over here also. So what will be the name?
It will be pro- it will be propoxy propane.
What it will be?
Propoxy propane.
Propoxy propane.
Hmm.
No, 1 minute.
Oh
Here
no,
though it's
sorry.
directly O is attached,
Yeah,
na?
exactly.
So
Ethoxy propane.
it's ethoxy
Propane.
propane. Clear?
Yes.
What about this one? So this compound is alcohol.
Cyclo. Yeah. Cyclohex. Cyclohexane 2 all.
How to all numbering naming can be started from here also, na? So it's hexanol only.
Oh yes.
Clear?
Yes.
What about this one?
for methyl alcohol heptane.
Okay, so now pay attention. The numbering will be from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it can be also 1, 2, 3, because 4, 5. So whichever way both the compounds, it's symmetric now. So we will do the numbering like this.
Isn't it longest chain?
So longest chain, but the functional group should be included, no?
Okay.
So it's pentanol, and over here there will be branching. So it's 1, 2, 3. Propyl pentanol. The functional, where the functional group has to be included, and 2 propyl pentanol.
Three
Completed this
methyl
question?
two pro. Yes, 3-methyl 2-propyl. One second.
Okay, so
Let me
because
see
over
it.
here it's C3H7, so I will break this question like this way. Then you can
4-methyl 2-propyl pentane.
4-methyl.
Hexane.
Okay,
2-propyl hexane.
okay. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it would be octane. Okay, 1 meta. And next is, let me check like this also. Octane is fixed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there will be two possibilities. Then we will give the final answer. So it's 3. If we go from the this one, lower one, okay. Let's go from upper one. This one first. Let's try lower one. So what will be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4. Fourth position there is a methyl, and sixth position there is a methyl. So 4, 6 dimethyl octane.
Yes.
And if we go with the lower one, upper one, then what we'll get?
You have to go with the lower one.
Yeah, so
5,
it's 1, 2, 3. 3, 5 dimethyl octane. So this is the correct answer because lower numbering should be given.
yes.
Clear?
Yes.